Okay, be honest with me for a second. When you planned that last month's email campaign, how much of it did AI do? The calendar, the copies, the ideas, probably most of it, right? You opened ChatGPT, gave it a random prompt to generate the entire content calendar for you, copied whatever it gave you, and hit send for 30 days straight. Here's the problem. So did every other brand in your customer's inbox. 2 years ago, using AI made you faster than everyone else. It was a genuine is, right? But right now, in 2026, everyone has that is, which means nobody does. The thing that made you stand out is the exact reason you're invisible right now. The customer is getting hit with 20, 30 emails a day, and most of them were written by the same three AI tools out there, off of the same lazy prompt and zero context on the brand, zero data on what's worked before. It all reads the same, it all converts the same, which is to say, barely. So, in this video, I'm going to show you the exact system I use to plan campaigns that actually stand out in the inbox. 4 steps, and here's the part that might surprise you. AI is still one of them. It's not where you think it goes, but it's there. Real quick, just so you know where this is coming from, I run email for e-com brands. I'm in the account every day, right? And I can tell you the difference I see. The difference between AI planned campaign calendar and a data planned campaign calendar in the revenue. Every single time, and it's not even close. And look, I'm not anti AI, I use it daily. I'm anti letting it think for you. There's a difference, and that difference is basically the entire video. Okay, step number 1, you need to mine your past winners. Sounds pretty obvious, right? But nobody does it. The first place your next campaign should come from is your last winning campaign. This sounds very obvious and almost nobody does it. It genuinely blows my mind. A brand will send an email that absolutely rips, right? The best performer of the quarter, and then never touch it again. It just dies in the sent folder. Here's the principle. Customer need to be reminded more than they need to be taught. Your subscribers are seeing hundreds of brands a week. They forget you exist between emails. So you don't need a brand new genuine idea every single send. You need to hit your proven points again and again in slightly different clothes. Here's the actual move. Go into your analytics tab, right? Pull your top performing campaigns by revenue from the last 6-12 months. Look specifically at the non-discount email that absolutely crushed. Those are pure gold because they converted without you paying for it in margin, right? Take your best one, resend a variation of that this month, change the design a little, freshen the copy, keep the angle, then do it again next month. And here's the thing AI can never give you. ChatGPT has no idea what worked for your list, it's guessing. Your sent folder isn't guessing, it's proof. Start there. Step number 2, you need to steal your own winning ad angles. And this one's quietly the most expensive mistake on this list. You're already running the biggest A/B test in your entire business right now. It's called your ad account. Think about it. You're spending thousands on Meta already, right? The algorithm is ruthlessly sorting your angles. The winner gets spent, the losers die. The ad that is getting the most budget right now, that is your market telling you with money exactly what messages work for you specifically. And then most brands just never use that angle in emails, right? You're paying Meta a fortune to discover your best hooks, then ignoring them in one channel that's basically free to send. So make this your monthly ritual. Open your ad account, look at what's winning, which hook, which angle, which image. Look at your landing page test as well, right? If a certain product image just lift your conversion rate, then that image belongs in an email as well. Winning ad angle, email campaign every single month. It is just proven demand, right? You're just moving it from channel number 1 to channel number 2 with better margin. Step number 3 is you do competitor research and you brand swipe as well. What I mean by this is you need to stop planning in a vacuum. Every good brand that you know is swiping, right? They're watching what other brands send inside their niche and what they send outside it as well. And they're stealing what works. Now, keywords here. Steal the angle, not the email. Don't copy anyone's campaign, right? That's lazy and it shows. Let's say, for example, you sell dog food, right? And you see a competitor brand saying something like, prevention is the medicine, protect your dog's health now. You don't copy that. You take the bone structure, modify a bit, and then send it for your own email campaign. Do this daily, 5 minutes, all it takes, right? Follow the brands in your space, follow brands that you admire in other spaces as well, and every day pull one email that made you stop scroll and ask, why did this work? what's stealable here, and do this for a month, and you will never stare at a blank campaign calendar again. Your ideas bank fills itself, right? Quick thing before the last step, the swiping habit. It's 10 times easier when other people are doing it for you, right? I've got a Discord full of ecom founders and marketers setting exactly this: campaigns that are already working, angles that are tested, real questions, real answer, and it's completely free. Link is in the description below. You can join the Discord and just come hang out. Okay, step number 4, the one you've been waiting for. Now you bring in AI, right? Notice something. We're 3 steps down and we haven't touched AI once. You've been in your analytics, your ad account, your swipe file, and now you're holding a list of proven winners, proven angles, battle tested ideas from other brands. Now AI comes in. This is where it's actually incredible. You take everything you've gathered till now, right? Your winners, your angles, your swipe file, and you hand it to AI with complete context. Don't just give it to it and let it generate for you. Just give it enough context so that it knows what you actually want from it, right? And let it build the entire campaign calendar based on the context that you provide for it. And now it will do it brilliantly, because now it's not inventing from nothing, right? It's building on proof. That's it. That's the entire reframe. Same tool, opposite outcomes. AI with a blank prompt gives you only slops, the same slop it's giving everyone else. AI with your data, your proven inputs, gives you leverage nobody can copy, because nobody else has your inputs. AI is the intern right here, right? And you're the strategist. Never flip that. One last thing, so you can actually execute this. When you've got your ideas, they should slot into 5 content pillars: educational, social proof, community and brand, products, and sales, right? Roughly an even mix across the entire month. I'm not gonna break down the entire pillar system down here, because I already made a full video on exactly that, what emails go in each pillars with examples, right? I'll link it right here and it'll be in the description as well, so you can go ahead and watch that after this. So that's the system: past winners, winning ad angles, competitor swipe files, and then AI at the very end, where it belongs, right? The brand standing out in 2026 aren't the one using AI the most. They're the one feeding it the best input. Data first, AI last. And look, if you watch this entire video, you're probably realizing your last 6 months of email campaign have been nothing but AI plan slops, right? I do audits. I go into your account, I look at what you've actually been sending and show you straight up where the money is leaking and what I'd actually change. We get on a call, I walk you through it for your brand specifically. Worst case, you'll learn something. Best case, we fix the thing that's quietly capping your revenue. The link for booking the call is in the description below. I'll see you in the next one.